Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said in my previous video, I was going to take this fall look from the Prick palette and turn it into something Halloween. So what I did was I created some scars with toilet paper and Elmer's glue, and you add a little bit of water to the glue. And I have a video from last year, and I'll put the link down below, where you can learn how to do this. It's very simple, but for the sake of time, I wasn't going to go through the whole thing and waiting for it to dry and blah, blah, blah. So all I did is I'm using that CC cream, and I'll do this last one here. You want to make it flesh colored. So your materials would be Elmer's school glue, and this does not have to be perfect. You just want it to blend because we're going to dirty up our face. The other things that you'll be needing is, if you did this look from the Prick palette or any other look, we're going to be using Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar and Cremated palette to finish this look. Now, because I use one of my makeup brushes, I'm just using a makeup wipe to take the foundation off of this eyeshadow brush. Alright, so first off, we are going to get into the Cremated palette. And while that foundation is setting up and drying, we're going to go in with Hearse, which is the matte black. And we're going to go in with a angled like liner brush, thin. And we're going to darken up these eyes a little bit. So I'm dipping into Hearse. Okay. And I'm going to bring this out. We're going right over the makeup. Now, this does not have to be perfect because we want it to look like this person had an accident or turned into a zombie at work. So we're going to take that out. And I'm going to put that liner brush down, and I'm going to get a little rounded. Let's see here. We went rounded. No. We're going to do a little, it's kind of like an angled fluffy brush. Alright, and we're going to go into Wednesday in the Cremated palette. And we are going to bring right up against where we made it black. We're going to bring that down. And it's Wednesday in the Cremated palette. Right underneath that black. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just bringing it down like something really horrible happened. We're also going to be using blood sugar for the wounds. Now, I'm going to use like a fluffy brush, face brush, and I'm going to dip into the morgue, and I'm just going to make little dirt marks. Just random dirt marks. And you can even hit the now I also want to, let me see, that looks, I need that, what did I do with that little bit of a fluffy brush? I'm going to go back into hers, and I'm just going to deepen that, bring it out. Just pat it so it kind of blends into that Wednesday color. Alright, so now I'm going to get a smaller brush. We're going to start working on the wounds. Okay? So I'm going to go in with hers with this, like a little pointy brush, and I'm going to go around the edges of the wound. Okay? Which I need the mirror a little closer so I can see. See how I'm doing that? Just tucking it in there. It'll look good when it'll all come together. And I'm sure there's so many artists on here that can do a better job on Halloween looks than I can. But I'm trying to do something simple with stuff you have at home. Palettes you already have. I already have these palettes, so I went in there. Now we will blend that out a little bit. Alright, so there's that. See how I just, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so we are going to get rid of that. Alright, so that's too stiff. Let me see here. I'm going to go in with a small brush like that. It's like a flatter but like tapered at the same time. We're going to close the cremated. This is something quick and easy if you were at the office all day with your beautiful fall makeup on. And then someone's like, hey, stop at a Halloween party. Run home. The longest thing that takes the longest is the glue drying. And if you do like what I did, I just use a cool blow dryer. Done. Alright, we are going to go into fresh meat. I've never used Jeffree Star's blood sugar palette. Ever. I got it in my mystery box. We're just filling that in. It's not really showing up. Now you can use fake blood. Which I think I do have some, but it dried up. I'm waiting on my Amazon shipment to come. I'm trying to do that so you can see. Alright, so I'm going to clean that brush off. I might go in with cherry soda. And brighten that up a little bit. Yeah. This scar is easy. I always cover that scar I have because I was attacked by a dog when I was younger. And I have like I guess they call it a keloid scar that bubbled out where his tooth went through. Alright, we're going to go back into cremated. And that fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with the morgue, just lightly tap. And I'm going to tap around. Even though it's gray, it's like a gray with a brownish, kind of like a brownish tone to it. You don't want it to look all clean and pretty. You want your face. See, that skin tone's a little too light. We'll darken that up. Okay. So I'm going to go with solemnly swear. Let me just make that look gross. It's an easy look because you can going back in with solemnly swear and just screwing up our face. And then for lips, this is from I don't know when, Halloween box. It's pretty dry, but it's the only black I got. So there you have it. Quick and simple ghoul look. And I think that's about it. Looking like you just got out of work. You crashed. You can smear that a little. You crashed and got hurt in your car. So that was quick and simple. 13 minutes. Like I said, I'll go over that toilet paper thing. It's real easy. And you can do some really gory stuff with toilet paper and glue. I'll link that video down in the description below. And if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. And I will talk to you later. Bye.